Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download FTX Wallet application for your Android device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by tap and open your Play Store from your Android device. Go to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in FTX Wallet and search. In the search results displayed on the next page, go and tap on the application that says FTX Trade BTC, ETH, and SHIB, this first one over here. Now, simply tap on the install button right beneath the app in order to begin the downloading process. FTX provides a custodial wallet where you can store your cryptocurrency, you can buy and transfer coins from one wallet to another, and you have full control of your cryptocurrency. Once the application has been downloaded, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right next or right beneath the app. Tap it on to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download FTX Wallet application for your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.